Hi everyone, it's Dyanne here. Welcome to Deco Easy. I'm glad that you stopped by to watch another video of us. As I said, I am Dyanne and I host this channel together with my mother-in-law Jenny. We both live in the Netherlands and today I'm going to participate in another challenge from Sandra. This is her channel. I'll put a link in the description box so you can check out what awesome videos she has. And right now I'm going to look beautiful banner here. Lots of videos she has, and I'm going to show you in which video or which challenge I'm going to participate. So this is Sandra's announcement video from the 4th of May, and I'm going to DIY with nature things. Here are the rules for this challenge. I must use anything of my stash supplies. Well, I have a lot of my stash right now. I'm not able to go at the store because of the coronavirus, so we stay inside. And it must include something from nature. Yeah, it could be sticks, leaves, flower buds, rocks, pebbles, dirt, sand. Anything you can find in your yard or in your neighborhood. Well, I don't have a yard, I only have a balcony, so I went outside when there was no one there, of course. And I was searching for some natural things I could use to decorate with, so. I have to mention your channel, of course I will do that. And the upload date you see here. Well, yeah, I always find these kind of DIYs and challenges very inspiring. And yeah, in the founders I never know what I'm going to make, but then suddenly an idea pops up, sometimes in the middle of the night, and then I think, oh well, wait, that's what I'm going to make. What I am going to make, I have some. Oh, is there anything left to? No, these are the same rules. As you might have noticed one of my previous videos, the colors for this spring or summer, at least which I have right now inside of my home, are pink and yellow. And I thought what would be nice to decorate with some pineapples, because I see lemons, a lot of lemons, but I also like pineapples inside of my home. And I want to make, is it a garland, a banner, with some pineapples. So I think it would be really great to use some natural items with that, and how I'm going to do that I will show you in the next video shot. So I took a look on Pinterest and I saw this garland. Look how cute it is. A pineapple garland. It's made out of paper with some glitter. I don't have glitter paper, I don't have glitters at home, so I will try to make something else, but the idea was pretty cool. So I took a look for some printables, and I also like this one here, but that's I think a bit too difficult because then I have to cut extremely precise and I'm not that good at it. Oh, there's also a cute one made from wool, I think. Very cute. But then I found the following printable. Here, this is the printable which I found. One of a beautiful pineapple, and look, it is a double one. So I can fold it around at the bottom. And then I have a nice pattern for the garland. Now this is the site where I found it. And this is an article from August 2016. And this woman made very cute bags from, oh, I hope you can see it, the sun is shining outside right now. Very cute bags of the printable patterns here. This is the printable pattern which I downloaded. Then she cut it out like this. I think this looks pretty cool. Then you take a cute little bag of candy or anything else you want to put in. You can also put in soap or anything else you like. Fold the printable around the plastic bag. Put a staple through it. And there you have your cute little bag. Very cute. And I thought, well, why not do that with a garland with this pattern. So this is how the printable looks when it came out of the printer. I cut out, or actually printed 4 pages, so I have 12 pineapples in total. If I cut wrong, or if I do anything wrong, I might have some to test. But as you can see, this is just normal paper. And what I wanted to do is give it a little bit of a festive touch. And therefore, I'm going to use these thick papers. These are much more suitable for making a garland. Jenny had them in her stash in different colors, white, pink, yellow, and also, yeah, it's blue, green, turquoise thing. I think they look pretty nice together with these colors. And that is totally suitable for a cute garland. Now, this is the base for the garland. I'll also use some rope and some glue to put the pineapples on. I'm going to cut these out. Then I'm going to glue it upon the paper. I think I only use the hard paper up until, you know, here and here, not this part. I'm going to fold that around and then just glue, so I think a single paper on the front. And then fold it around and then put the string of the garland throughout the pineapples. But then we need something from nature, and that I will show you in the next step what I had in mind. So there are some pine trees nearby, and these branches, they smell really, really fresh. They just fell off. I don't know why. Maybe it's dry, or maybe they're old. I don't know why, but they smell pretty good. If you know why they fell off, please tell me, because I'm very curious about that. And I thought, well, that might look cute alongside, or, you know, throughout the pineapples glued to the garland. I'm not really sure yet what I want to do with it, but that was something which I could use from nature. And maybe it are also, I'm going to add some flowers, but I will take a look in the next stadium, because I don't know how it looks like combined with the pineapples. So first I'm going to cut this out, and yeah, then glue it on the paper, and then we'll see the next step. Just want to know how it turns out. I'm not going to make a prediction. This is how it looks like in the end. Just do what I like, and yeah, I think it turns out, I hope it turns out nice. So here we are. Hope you can see it all properly. This is thick paper. I'm not going to use that right now. This is my rope, which I want to use, and I also have just some very simple glue here. Just shining in the sunshine right now, which peeks through the window. Well, I'm going to put that aside, and first I'm going to cut out these pineapple printables. Don't know which kind of scissors I need, so I took a large and a small one. I don't think I would be able to cut it out very precisely here, so just going to take a look, see how I can get that done properly. First I'm going to cut them in 3 even pieces, so then it will be easier to cut around like this. Right, all the pineapples are cut out, and I think I start with the smallest one, see how it turns out when I cut around it. And the first pineapple is done. Yay. And I'm going to try to fold it into two. I don't think I could easily. Cut off a piece here. Yeah, this is number one. The front, the back, or whatever you want to call it, the front and the back. Now it's time to cut up some more. Yeah, I wanted to hang it on top of my fireplace, so I think I need 6 of these pineapples, so still a while to go. All 9 in total. Now I'm going to bring the colored paper in. I think I will use 3 pink ones, 3 yellow ones, and 3 green blue ones. Let me see. We'll first start with the yellow one. In my opinion, they must have the same size. Then with a little edge around. So I think I'm gonna fold it in half, then it would be enough for 3 pineapples. This is the pink one, by the way. You can't see it when I put it up here, but when I do it like this, you can see that this one is pink. Just like so. I think what I do, I'm using a paper clip to secure the pineapple while I cut around it. So be back within a few seconds. So 3 small paper clips here, which I can use to secure, to do a little bit of the edge, because I want to leave just some small space underneath. Oh, not yet, rope. I think they're high, yeah. Try while cutting to leave as much space around from the white part as I did from the colored part, so that they have a nice and even edge. And the top ones are a bit more difficult because I don't want to stick out some green or white paper on top, because on the back they are in a different shape. But here at the bottom they are quite the same. Just like so. That's number 1. I continue with 2. Right, now I want to see what it looks like when I fold it around. Does it still look nice? No, I need to cut off the bottom. Just this piece here needs to be, I hope you can see it properly, this needs to have the same height, so keeping it in place while carefully cutting off the excess bit of pink. Now they should perfectly fit, yeah. Front and the back. I'm going to glue that later. First, take these excess pieces of paper off and fold it around. I was afraid that I cut this part open, but luckily I didn't. That should be really something for me to do. So clean the mess up. Now it's time to glue the thing together. Use another different color background so you can see what I am doing. Let's first make sure that this is the middle. Then only one side, fold it open. And then, oh, I should have pulled out of the cap of the glue. Is it nice here? No, it starts to move around. Of course it does. Yeah, I think this is good. So I put my finger here so the thing doesn't move. And then just put some glue at the center. Doesn't have to be that much, I suppose. Right, now only do one side because on the other side we still need to put, or actually glue it to the garland. So then this will be the front here, and the back is still loose. So we can glue the rope here. Right, now it's time to glue the pineapples to the rope. What I did, this rope is curling, so I just tighten it to the tripod of the camera here underneath, and on the other side, on a heavy object, I laid it on top, so it keeps nice and straight while doing my work. And here I have my workspace, which I can move around from back. Let's start with red. think I wanted to have it here, the point where I want to glue here, so I can see on the cut of the paper where I need to glue. So holding it tight here. Oh, forgot to open the glue cap again. Right, let's do it again without moving, please. And then I really hope that it stays there in the position. Wait, first put some glue here on the back. And then trying to slide it underneath after gluing this part as well. Right, lift it up. Now trying to keep it in position. Bring down, oh wait, maybe I can push it with some scissors. Scissors, of course, really hard. Oh, hope this is working. Yeah, it's stuck. There's the first one here. Right, move out to the second one. I want a yellow one here. Oh, no. First take it off. Back again with a tool to measure. Let me see what is acceptable. About 5 centimeters here. So, was it here? I forgot it. Yeah, here it is. There's a little dark piece there. Right, put some glue here. Point where I want to join the rope part. And then some extra to secure the pineapple to the colored paper. Can't see properly. Do it like this. I need to press it pretty hard before it stays in place, just like so. Alright, now we move on. Hope you can still see it. Centimeters. That's here where a small piece of rope gets off. So here's a close-up look, and I think this will be the back of the garland, because here you can see that the rope is glued to the pineapple and it starts bowling here. I don't like that, so I think I'm gonna turn around. This looks much better for the front side. Right, now I'm letting it dry. You can see the rope is curling around like crazy, so I think I'll be stretching it overnight, and then tomorrow morning I will add the finishing touch there. Right, time to add the greenery. I tried to figure out how I would do that, but I think the most steady way is to take a branch and then stick it here where the rope enters the part of the garland. And I think that looks really cute on the front, but I have to be sure that I have enough, you know, pieces without needles, because I can't stick needles between the pineapples. So here we go. Oh, again, the glue. Always forget to pick up the glue. Some paper to glue on. Scissors can move over there. Well, let's see what fits the best. How much do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 spaces which we need to fill. First, I think I tried 4, not exactly, or not the most. This is how the garland looks right now, with some festive branches, which are also perfect for summer, and by the way, they smell really, really good. So now it's too dark to show you the result yet, but when the light is better, then I will hang it up on my fireplace, and then I will give you a look around with a really final result. So good morning, everyone. Here you see the garland when it is on both of my cabinets. Show you a close-up. Well, and here we are at my fireplace, where the garland is at its final destination. This is how my fireplace looks. And there's a cute table in front of it with cute bunnies and some candles, some more green, and a lamp. So that was my video for today. I hope that you like what I've made, and Jen and I hope to see you all again back and healthy in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and stay safe, everyone. Bye!